Just to update y'all that the quick kitchen repair that you're watching right there is kind of on hold. I'm going to work on the wall and repair the wall, but we have humps in several places in this house. I pointed out to him that we are getting no younger. His knees bother him. And give me a pillow, I can get on the floor and I can bang in new flooring. But we are backing up. This got the ball rolling, as it always does. A can of worms opens up. We have damage here on the floor from this door, having rotted wood in there inside the door from the lack of proper drainage off of the house. It is a corner outside the door. So guttering is coming, and we are replacing this door, the whole threshold, everything. We have to make sure we don't have damage down here, which we know we're going to have some here. Hopefully I can just knock it back, and we'll cover it back up with this, and then we're going to put our hard engineered waterproof wood laminate on here. And I'm going to snap a quarter round down. I am not removing these 6-inch baseboards. I don't care if I lose a half an inch. I don't care. And slapping a quarter round up is the easiest way for me and him, doing it ourselves. Okay, so here we go. Like I said in the other day in the little thing I put out, we opened a can of worms when we decided to do this floor, and it's just one thing leads to another. And so right now we have the opportunity, we're going to replace this side door because it's rusted out, and we need to do that before we do the flooring, just for thresholds and stuff. So there you go, or whatever. I don't know what the reason is, but we're replacing 2 doors. One's got a bump by it. This one doesn't.
yeah. Sorry, I was like, what is he